Hi there, my name is Adam Dorn. I'm the co-founder of Aclarus Ozone. We solve complex water problems with our proprietary ozone technology for water and wastewater, with over 1,000 systems in 9 countries globally, from industrial to municipal, wastewater, processed water, and more. We're very excited at this idea, Gran, and the potential it brings both for our company as well as for the mining sector as a whole. Our systems are already proven in the field for numerous applications to reduce costs, improve sustainability, and overall reduce chemicals and improve operations. So with the integration of this quad-black technology we're going for, it helps position us to be the most advanced in terms of sustainable mining applications for processed water and wastewater. And this will help lessen environmental discharge, chemical use, as well as improve overall treatment and cost for the operation. Ozone is chemical free. It breaks down to oxygen when it's done, not byproducts. And it provides rapid and complete treatment of thiol collectors, ammonia, nitrite, cyanides, cyanates, and thiocyanates, and more. It also oxidizes other contaminants like sulfur, iron, and even organics and contaminants of concern like chemicals. But ozone's made on site. There's no transport, there's no storage, and there's no handling of chemicals. It's made on demand for pennies a day. And with this real-time feedback loop, the system responds in real time to the water quality without operators. But most importantly, it's cost-effective, much more cost-effective than chlorination or other chemicals, without the reliance on suppliers and fluctuating in costs. And lastly, using ozone over chemicals will help reduce greenhouse gas and other environmental impacts for the mining sector, will help them improve their compliance overall.